Hello guys, and welcome to another video. So today we are going to discuss what we call the anchor tag or anchor, whatever you call it, it's okay. And it's basically about how to add links to your website. So maybe you have some external link that you want to add to your website. You can just use the anchor tag to add your link. So let's go to our folder, and then we are going to create a new file. You can do all of this in a single file, but because I'm teaching you, that's why I'm putting it in separate files. Okay, so let's say anchor.html. You see, so I'm going to create it, and then I'm going to enter inside the anchor. So now you generate your code there. Me, I already have it, so I'll just generate it over here. Then you go to the body, you open the body, and then I'm going to put h1. I'm going to say inserting links, right? Inserting links, and I'm going to close the tag for the h1. Okay, so h1, and I'm going to open it. Okay, you see inserting links, that's the h1, the header one, inserting links. So I'm going to go back to our code, and we are going to discuss anchor tags. Okay, so I'm going to put a comment here, and I'm going to say anchor tags. Tag is used to add images to I said images, links, and you guys could not tell me. just for fun. Link to a code, right, or website, right? So it is represented by the tag A. Okay, the tag A. And then this one, it has both an opening and a closing tag. It's not like the image tag whereby it's a self-closing tag. It has a closing tag. Okay, so we are going to have a closing tag. Let's go back and see. This is a comment, so nothing special appears here. So now let's go, and then let's begin the actual thing. So I said we have what we call A, right? And then we have also href. Href is the relations, okay, relations to the link, or the relation, the root link that you want to put there, the link or the website or whatever you want the people to be able to visit. And then we also have the closing tag for that one. I told you that it's not a self-closing tag, so you're going to have another A, and then we're going to open. You see that nothing appears for now because we've not done anything, right? So let's say we want to go to Facebook. I'm going to put Facebook here, and I'm going to visit it for you to even see it. So I'm going to come here. You see in between those two quotations, and I'm going to say maybe you have to put https, and then you put this, and then slash facebook.com. you see, facebook.com. okay, and then I'll open. You see nothing will appear here because I've left one thing out intentionally. You come back here, and then you see in between the two tags, the opening and the closing tags, here you write Facebook, right? Facebook. You see that it will appear now in a blue color. So let's go and see. You see that it appears as Facebook. Sorry, this place is noisy, don't mind me. So it appears as Facebook. So when I click on Facebook, you see that it takes me straight away to my Facebook account, right? And then this is my Facebook page. You can interact with me, and the name is Abdulaziz Zaro. You can interact with me, and then I'll respond to your messages. Okay, so let's go back to our code, and then I'm going to insert a break here. I'm going to put a BR here, and I'm going to put another BR here, and then I'm going to put another anchor tag or A tag, and I'm going to put A here, href as usual, which equal to this. Let's say this time we want to go to YouTube, so I'll say https youtube.com. you see, youtube.com, and I'm going to insert here as YouTube. Okay, YouTube. I'm going to close the tag here as A. Okay, so now let's see. You see that it appears as YouTube, right? I will show you how to make all of these lines using CSS. So now let's say YouTube. You open your YouTube, and then straight away it takes you here. You see, this is our YouTube channel, guys. Make sure to follow. follow us on YouTube and then both TikTok and then YouTube, so that you can get more updates. Otherwise, when I set or upload a new video, you're not going to get the update. So now let's say we are going to also include maybe TikTok, right? So I'm going to break. It's an optional thing to break, but I decided to break to make it nice. Okay, so let's say I'm going to put a new one here, href equal to quotations https, and I'm going to put this tiktok.com, you see, and it's going to appear, right? So I'm going to put here tech talk, and I'm going to close it as a, and then it's going to actually work when I open it. So you see TikTok, it will take me straight away to TikTok. You see that it is coming, right? So that is how it is. But make sure that when you are visiting an external URL, you have to have data, but you can also have internal URLs. Okay, you can have internal URLs. Let's say this one. Let's say we have this one, the attributes. We want to refer it, make sure that when we click on maybe next or previous, it takes us to attributes or index.html. So we are going to have it like this. We are going to put it here. Let me break it. Okay, br, and then I'm going to maybe say a href. So you bring this thing here, and then I'm going to say maybe index.html, you see, index.html, and I'm going to say maybe next, you see, and I'm going to close the tab. Sorry guys, there's noise here, but let's manage, okay, because I'll not be free in the other part of the day. So let's say I go here, you see next. When I click on next, you see that it takes me directly to here. So you can just use as many links as you want, and then you can do it. So see you in the next slide. Let's manage this for the meantime. Thank you.